Hey guys, it's Greta, and today I am going to demonstrate for you how to properly wash your hair. First things first, I will take a pump of shampoo, work it into a lather in my hands before applying it to my hair, and then applying it firstly around the perimeter, and then working my way into the center of my head. The first shampoo, it is just meant to break up oils and dirt. The biggest misconception is that you need to shampoo your hair, but what you actually need to do is cleanse your scalp. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. After I'm done applying the first shampoo, I will rinse this out pretty thoroughly. As you can see here, I am separating my hair into different sections to let the water rinse all the way through the scalp. Second shampoo. This time you can use a smaller amount of shampoo as we already shampooed our hair. This will go a lot further than the first application. You'll see I am starting this one right from the center of my head and then working towards the outside, opposite of what I did the first time. We want to make sure that scalp is thoroughly cleansed and that every spot was focused on just as much as another spot. Time for the massage. Working that product really well into the scalp. I'll be using my fingertips to work my way around every inch of my head from the top to the bottom, making sure I'm not missing a single area. A massage will increase blood flow and stimulate your hair follicles, and this will promote healthy scalp and hair. On the second rinse, you want to be extra thorough. I'll run my fingers through my hair like this and then break up the hair in sections to make sure the water runs thoroughly through my hair, making sure no suds or shampoo or dirt is left behind. Lastly is conditioning. Now this will vary based on your hair texture and your scalp condition. I tend to lean on the oily side, and thus I keep my conditioner off the scalp. If you are drier, you can place this on the scalp. I will typically pull all my hair to the front and only place it underneath my chin. I work this through for a little while and then I rinse. If you have finer hair or thinner hair, the more conditioner you use, the more your hair will be weighed down. If you have coarser hair and thicker hair, you may want to use a larger amount to make sure that everything is thoroughly conditioned. Last but not least, a final rinse. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you are to properly wash your hair. The main point is that we're actually cleansing our scalps rather than the hair itself. The hair does get clean as we're cleansing our scalps. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, and that these tips are something that you will apply to your own washing of your hair routines at home. My name is Greta, and I'm from 408 Beauty by Greta. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you are interested in learning helpful tips and hairstyling videos, check me out and subscribe or follow me. I will hope to see you in my next video. Bye!